Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can download and install Anydesk. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for Anydesk. Now, open the first web link and the official Anydesk website will open up. Inside it, click on the Download Now button and the software will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, open it up and you will see this type of interface. Here, click on the Install Anydesk on this device embed and a new page will be displayed. Simply uncheck the printer feature and click on the Install button. You can see that it has been installed successfully. Once installed, you can share your screen, transfer files, and even provide remote support to your friends or colleagues. So that's basically how you can download and install Anydesk. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.